Welcome to this CreateStudio tutorial. In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to create a fun and dynamic animation where a ball passes through a ring. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with CreateStudio, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process, from setting up your scene to perfecting the animation. By the end, you'll have a creative project to share or use as inspiration for your next animation. Let's get started. In this video, we will focus on creating and animating the ring and the ball. I already have a ring in PNG format, and I'll show you how to split it into two separate halves to create layers, one in front of the ball and one behind it. Please note, I am using GIMP for the layering process, but other programs like Photoshop can also be used. It's entirely up to the user's preference. Go to the mask icon in the bottom right corner, click on it, and select Add Layer Mask with white full transparency. Ensure that the paintbrush icon in the top left corner is selected. Now we can remove parts of the circle from one half. Once you've finished removing the half, you can export it as its own PNG file. By pressing Ctrl+Z, you can undo your actions to restore the circle to its original shape. Then, you can start working on the other half of the circle. This half must also be exported as a PNG file. Now we should have a left half, a right half, and a full circle, each saved as its own PNG file. These files will now be used in CreateStudio. Go to the Media folder, create a new folder called Rings, and then import the newly created PNG files. Place the full ring on the timeline. Go to the Studio folder, navigate to Shapes, filter the search to 3D Shapes, and then select a ball. Insert the ball into the timeline and adjust its position and size so that it can pass through the inner side of the ring. Notice that with the full ring image placed behind the ball, it creates the illusion that the ball is in front of the ring. Now, we will add the image of one of the half circles and place the ball between the full circle and the half circle in the timeline. This will create the illusion that the ball is passing through the ring. The next step is to add a shadow to the ring. I'll show a simple way of adding the shadow for now, but in the future, I plan to go into more detail about shadow work. Shadows are all about the angle from which you want the light to come. The shadow will always appear in the opposite direction. In my image, I want the light to come from the right-hand side, so the shadow will fall on the left side of the ring. This concludes the Ball Through the Ring tutorial. I will continue to build on these concepts and create tutorials over time. Thanks for watching.